We are playing, guys.
Close it.
Close it, man.
Wait,
no,
what's
no.
you dead? Wait, what? I told you close it. Isn't it like fun? Joey,
do you want to tell you?
He has to look what rooms he's going into.
Julian.
Before he goes into yours.
He's on my YouTube channel. I'm talking to you guys. You guys want to kill it?
I don't
Okay, here you go. Oh my
He's
god.
at your place.
Dude, go.
Julian,
Go.
go to the door. You're dead. He's at the door. Which one's the door? You can't.
Dude, you don't know what the door is?
You can't shut the door.
Oh, you're dead. Dude,
Door.
there's nobody there. There's nobody there.
You lied for me.
Isn't that a surprise? Dude, this is my YouTube video. Who are you?
Sucks. I can't go on
YouTube.
YouTube.
Who are you,
I
man?
can't close it.
Dude, open and close the door.
Look at the map.
This is rip-off Five Nights at Freddy's, but stick figures.
Dang it.
Dang it, man.
You lost them. Now you're not going to find them.
Dude, don't you hate when you die like that?
He's at your place. Door. I'm so scared.
Dude, it's just a drawn game that's poorly drawn. Look how horrible this game is drawn. Dude, you ran out of power. Your door's gonna explode.
Wait.
Make the bell ring.
Make the building crush on.
How's he just sitting there and he's letting you do all the work, like closing the door and stuff?
I'm just saying for him to close the door for no reason. That's pretty scary.
Oh my gosh, dude, check the door. You're dead. Dude, no, you're dead. You ran out of power. You ran out of power.
Just watch
Five Nights at Freddy's, yeah. Welcome to my YouTube channel.
Oh,
what is
that's
that? Dude, you ran out of power.
Oh, you're dead.
Game over.
That's so
Guys, he exploded. Dude, did you see that? Jelly exploded out of him. Wait. Dude, did you just die? Guys, I think the animatronic killed him. Look, he died. He literally fell on the floor. I don't know if you remember him.
Music room.
Dude, that was Jelly Jam. I didn't know that guy ate a lot of jelly. It like exploded
I
out of
told
him.
Isaiah to stay down, and he's actually just gonna keep falling.
We should keep our hopes up. Sorry guys,
Go to room 4.
this is loud in here. It is very loud, right?
It's because it's a funeral. No. And that's you. You. No, he's not at your door.
Dude, if you hear the bell, he's at your door.
No, he's not. He's right there.
No, not the person you are.
One. It's not there anymore.
Not the person you are.
I bet you can.
Look how big the map is. It's like, is this like a middle school or something?
Oh, I saw him. He was right there.
Dude, this is like a middle school.
I
right?
just caught him.
Five Nights at Middle. No, this was here.
If you don't think about it, it's not bad.
What are you doing using? Are you like using up your powers? Like, I don't think it's good. Oh, that's your door power supplies? You're charging it, dude.
Hey, you're making too much noise downstairs. They're jumping, yeah.
Sorry about the lot of people back there.
Hey, make too much noise downstairs.
So guys, at the beginning of the video, you saw he exploded into jelly.
He's at my door.
Dude, he's at your door.
Yeah, bruh.
I am the one. That's all now. What the world? Look at it, Jelly Jam. Guys, did you see that Jelly Jam?
Let me try.
That was Jelly Jam. Dude, this is my channel. My YouTube channel.
Say hi to
Dude.
Cuckoo.
Yeah? You haven't you seen my videos?
Are you literally recording at a funeral right now? Why are you
See if he can beat night 1. I'm sorry about these creepy creepers. Are trying to think I don't have a
Oh,
channel.
God. Where'd he go? Please tell me he's somewhere.
Dude, your hair is in the way.
He's at your door. I don't care. He's at your door.
No, his hair.
He's at your door.
He's at your door, isn't he?
I could have closed my door for
He
extra
thought
use.
he was at the door.
Where are you at? He's still at room 6. Please go to room 4.
This is not even
Yep.
that scary.
Room 4. It sucks.
This is a rip-off Finance Freddy's game. Dude, he's right
now
there.
where'd he go? You have to press on him. No, you don't. That's the way.
Dude, why would you press on him? He doesn't like to be pressed.
Hold it. Hold it. I don't like this no more.
Dude, you have like literally no more power.
I know.
You gotta, like,
This game. I hate it.
They all rip. Hey, at least it's peace and quiet. Why do we care about where are they?
If my tablet dies, I'm not telling your papa. He's at your.
You're not telling
He's
me?
room. Yeah. He's room
Just
5.
dude,
Room
don't
5.
let the guy jump scare you, because
he's room
you want to know
5.
what's gonna happen if he jump scare you. You're gonna explode into jelly,
Yeah, I want to explode.
and
It's room 5.
nobody wants you to
Check
be
room
jelly.
5.
No, nobody wants a peanut butter
Check
jelly
room
sandwich of
5.
you. There's home of jelly.
Check room 5.
Home of the jelly.
He's room 5. Room jelly man.
Dude, that's so weird. Why when you die you like turn into peanut butter jelly?
He's at your door.
Dude, he's at your door.
Hello. Bye bye.
Why does it sound like that grown show?
You're the Grinch. Open.
Dude, open your door.
He's gone.
And then he jump scared you. And then you turn into jelly. The end.
I don't want to turn into jelly.
What? You already did it like
be jelly.
you guys already did it like 2 times.
No, that was me.
At the beginning of the video where
You
we
were
weren't even
horrible at that
explaining,
game.
it was literally just explode.
Day 2.
This guy looks like he hates his life. It's 2 a.m. That's not day 2. That's 2 a.m. It is night 1 in the middle school. Why is it so zoomed into your face?
Because you zoomed it too much. I'm trying to help him.
Get out of the way.
Go.
Dude, I just wanted to see you do jelly jam. You guys actually don't know. I'm watching.
Don't come
People are
back.
watching
You can
my-
go down there.
Yeah, you don't want to see someone explode in jelly jam.
You do. I want to tell you something.
I'm sorry.
Where's he at? Can you stop coming to my door? Boy, no. No. Oh
Look
my
at
God,
jelly jam party. Ready? Jelly jam.
It sucks. It sucks.
And that was it for the video of jelly jam explosions. We'll see you all next time for another video.
Calm down, calm down.
They're crazy.
You're crazy.
Like and subscribe. Hey,
Never like
Isaiah,
and
get away.
subscribe. Do not like and subscribe.
No, you have to, man. Oh, I can't show this.
Yeah.
Dude, he's
It's
Squidward.
so violent.
Dude, my mom watches these videos, okay? She'll see how annoying. Okay, bye guys! I'm gonna show you another jelly explosion. Oh, I see how jelly. You thought the video ended? No, it didn't. Jelly explosions. I'm gonna keep on recording clips of you dying until you beat this night, okay?
Yeah. Okay.
Try your best, but you don't succeed. Explosion!
He died.
Jelly explosion! Dude, when are you ever gonna win? When will
Wait.
There's no way to win a jelly explosion. Game.
What if I was at 4 a.m.?
Dude, he was at 3 a.m.
What if I could change that?
Wait, what is that? SitckMan 5 Nights at Survival 2. This is SitckMan Survival, right? It's kind of like when it's phrase. So we found out a lesson. We're never gonna win because sometimes it doesn't even let us close the door, right?
No, because I closed it, then he comes back pretty fast.
So we'll see y'all next time. Well, no, we're not gonna see you next. We might still record. Okay, we'll see you in the next death. We're gonna die. We're gonna. Really? Oh, I almost won. 5 a.m. Jelly explosions are about to. Dude, jelly explosions. I was at 5 a.m. How good is that? How do you feel to be jelly explosion? How do you feel, man? Tell me. I love it. I just want to be a peanut butter jelly sandwich.
I can't even get
Dude, we almost won. Their iPad had to go, so we didn't beat it, right?
Yeah, we almost did.
But we're going to watch this video again and see all the jelly explosions.
Bye-bye.
Isaiah's uploading a video soon, right?
Yeah.
ZZA. Go subscribe to ZZA. Okay, bye, guys. Like and subscribe.